Hello, welcome to how to solve this logarithmic equation. X to the power log of x to the base 3 is equal to 81x cubed. First of all, we take log to the base 3 of both sides. Log to the base 3 of x to the power log of x to the base 3 is equal to log to the base 3 of 81x cubed. Next, there is a law of logarithms that log of a to the power n is equal to n times log of a. According to this rule, this power log of x to the base 3 comes here. Log of x to the base 3 times this log of x to the base 3. Log of x to the base 3 is equal to log to the base 3 of this 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4 times x to the power 3. Next, this log of x to the base 3 times log of x to the base 3 becomes square of log of x to the base 3 is equal to, and there is a law of logarithms that log of a times b is equal to log of a plus log of b. According to this rule, we can write this as log to the base 3 of 3 to the power 4 plus log to the base 3 of x to the power 3. Next, log of x to the base 3 squared is equal to, according to this rule, this power 4 comes here and this power 3 comes here. 4 times log of 3 to the base 3 plus 3 times log of x to the base 3. Next, log of x to the base 3 squared is equal to, according to the law of logarithms, log of a to the base a is equal to 1. This log of 3 to the base 3 becomes 1. 4 times 1 plus 3 times log of x to the base 3. Next, log of x to the base 3 squared is equal to 4 times 1 4 plus 3 log of x to the base 3. Next, we suppose that log of x to the base 3 is equal to y. Let log of x to the base 3 is equal to y. Then this equation becomes y square is equal to 4 plus 3y. Next, we shift this 4 and plus 3y to the left side. Y square, this plus 3y becomes minus 3y at left side, and this plus 4 becomes minus 4 at left side is equal to 0. Now, this is a quadratic equation and can be solved by factorization. We have to find two numbers whose product is this negative 4 and whose sum is this negative 3. Negative 4 and plus 1 are two numbers whose product is negative 4 and whose sum is negative 3. So we can write this equation as y square minus 4y plus y minus 4 is equal to 0. From y square minus 4y we can take y as common. Y as common times, and in bracket left y minus 4, and from plus y and minus 4 we can take plus 1 as common. Plus 1 as common times, and in bracket left y minus 4 is equal to 0. Next, we can take y minus 4 as common. y minus 4 as common, and in bracket left this y and this plus 1. Y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now either y minus 4 is equal to 0 or y plus 1 is equal to 0. From here y is equal to 4, and from here y is equal to minus 1. Now recall that we have supposed log of x to the base 3 is equal to y. We have supposed log of x to the base 3 is equal to y. In this equation, first we put this value of y4. Log of x to the base 3 is equal to 4. And there is a law of logarithms that log of a to the base b is equal to c. This implies b to the power c is equal to a. This is called logarithmic form and this is called exponential form. According to this rule, we can write this in exponential form. 3 to the power 4 is equal to x, and x is equal to 3 to the power 4 is equal to 81. This is the first value of x, and now in this equation we put this value of y minus 1. Log of x to the base 3 is equal to minus 1, and according to this rule we write it in exponential form. 3 to the power negative 1 is equal to x, and x is equal to, this 3 has power negative 1. To make this power positive, we write it under 1. 1 over 3 to the power 1. And this is the second value of x, 1 over 3.